Hingwire government ya Uganda kurabira mu kitongore cy'ebyenguto echa UNRA ekahunduza oruguto orukuruga Kasese Rubirizi ishaka Bushenyi kandi kuyakire omuri Rubirizi omugomboro ya Kicwamba ekateka emikutu y'amaizi gayeshwa mu kishara na enyanja ya Ruijongo ekihendire kirugiremu omwijuzo hamwe no kujumikwa kw'entoke n'amaju kandi abatura niko kweterera enduru.
President Yoweri Museveni has made a directive of protecting the Bushara. Muchumanya? Icho wano reba gumushira na insisting kugira ngo kishara kigume kina nacho elements.
Obwahati amakagaru kurenga 20 nugo gakwatwaho munonga kandi n'oruguto orukugwite gomborezi ibiri na ruriyo mu mberambi aho umujuzo gwa mizaga.
Mwanda gona gufeze kimwe kushiraba mpatu kwasa kurabo orene kisara kiryaje kwatana naki n'inyanza mwe turi ombuzu bw'amani.
Amizi bakiza gaiza gatayire kisara gari enzu yange gajimarawo ate sayo jo bwindi yawo indyo mukupangisa amazu naga yenzere kandi amizi gakaretwa abokoro rugudo orwa Kitoma amizi gakiza gakazo mu kisara
etuwere egera kanto kayatuhereza tulebike kureba ngo tugere itwaza abo kubanga ateze saha tutukenene sente zo kusomesa abana amazu tukagargamo entoke zona zaribwa mizi.
Owe cyano Ronald engineer wa UNRA yashoborera ngo turubanja rwa UNRA bonka bita mizi nagarwo mu nshozi hezetorire cyareki.
We wanted the community to appreciate the catchment of the swamp. It is not only the discharge for the storm water from the road that is causing the flood. You can see the catchment area of the swamp is large enough. And then yes, we accept that there is a discharge from UNRA side from the road, which we are trying to deal with.
Ogu yayongera ya Hamza Bataka ngo UNRA naija kugezaho kubahwera.
Can only give them a hope that we are going to do our best. We are going to try and plan for this works, which we had already done before.
Kandi wabebembezo mu district ya Rubirizi bashaba abatura kugumisereza ububako bateraho buryo nangwa bashabwa no kukuma ibyo buhangwa.
Icara kure decision ya ni environmental impact assessment report nobwa kwa bayino bakozire design concrete report etakashohwire kwereka ngo agamizi ngabasakurwa mu kishaje gazo mu nyanja still na design zabo nza kuba ziri invalid, so we are waiting for this EIA report, then it will guide our course of action.
Okugumerwa kuri aha kugira ngo bamumbatakana arma batakanka babira batugambira abarukona nko kuremesa konka ntuje gamba nabone bikiriza abo kubekizibona cya affecting community yone ige kwingaje no kubyare miti kurebeka ngo ya controlling amezi twareka kugira omwijerurano gw'amizi ningash flooding.
Makoraga gashakwa Sharifu Murungi habwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Rubirizi.
Ebare Sharifu Murungi aba